Hi everyone, I've created 10 simple step-by-step hairstyles, and this is hairstyle number 4. We're going to start off in a low asymmetric ponytail with a soft front. I'm going to tong all of the ponytail to make sure that there's a nice movement in it, and I'm using quite a sort of a medium tong on the hair itself. So I go through all of the ponytail. There we go, you can see it's all there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mess it up a little bit, and I'm going to pull it all down and place a hair tie about sort of almost halfway down. There it is. Now I'm going to pull that hair tie down just a little bit more once I've got it there, and I really bring it down just kind of almost on the halfway point, even slightly more than halfway. Flip it around and take the tails under and up to the top. Let me just do it again for you. Here we go. Take the tails, split them into two, and flip it under. Take the tails up onto the top. Now just place some section clips there to hold the tails in place. Once I've got the tails there, I'm going to start to anchor in the bottom part of the chignon. So I start to pin this in towards the ponytail. Just really anchoring that in, making sure it's a nice shape and it's what I want the hairstyle to look like. Now, having got that, now what I do is I just take the tails and crisscross them. I crisscross them and I keep it very soft. I start to pin into the hair, making sure I've got all the hair held beautifully, and I just start designing how I want that to look. So the two tails up on top were just crisscrossed. Now we go in and we start to pin and create whatever sort of final look we want to create. So you can see here now we've got a very sort of structured chignon with a very sort of overlay of soft texture. And then I've just brushed the front in just to give it that lovely sweep back. This is a great hairstyle to add into your collection.